Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant reminder notifications on Facebook when you're using your PC, this guide is exactly what you need. In just a few quick steps, you'll learn how to completely disable those reminder alerts on the new Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once it's opened, go to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a small menu with several options. Next, look for the option called Settings and Privacy and click on it. A few more choices will pop up. From there, select Settings. This will take you directly into your main Facebook settings page. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different categories for your account settings. Find and click on Notifications. This is where you control all the alerts Facebook sends you, from likes and comments to tags, birthdays, and of course, reminders. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Reminders. Once you click on it, you'll see a switch or toggle next to Allow Notifications on Facebook. Simply turn that off. That's it. You've officially disabled reminder notifications on Facebook. After you turn that off, you'll stop getting those little reminder pop-ups or alerts that can easily distract you. Whether it's notifications about birthdays, upcoming events, or things you've saved for later, Facebook will no longer send you alerts for them unless you turn this setting back on. Taking a moment to adjust your notification settings helps keep your Facebook experience focused and quiet. You stay in control, choosing only the updates that actually matter to you. No more unnecessary reminders interrupting your time online. And that's how you disable reminder notifications on the Facebook app on your PC using the latest update. Simple, quick, and effective. If you found this helpful, don't forget to keep exploring your settings for more ways to customize your Facebook experience.